Hey guys, Jules Kane here, back again with another piano tutorial. This time we're going to go over A Very Real Way by the Winans. This song is written in the key of F. Okay, it's a very simple song. It's just one progression and a few changes. So, let's start off with the intro. The song starts off, more than a fairy tale, more than a nursery rhyme. I was looking for one love in life and peace of mind. And then I read about your love in a book that sat upon my shelf. Though many others tried it, I decided for myself. And then I found out your love is true and your spirit is real. Now I've just got to tell the world exactly how I feel. I've come to know you in a very real way. I've come to know you in a very real way. I've come to know you. And that's the whole song. So, you're going to start off in this progression. A D minor, or D minor 7. Drop it down a half step. D minor 7, D flat minor 7. Another half step, C minor 7. Go to the F9. Go to the B flat major 9. Then you can go to an A sus4 to the A7 flat 9. And you're going to give it this rhythm. More than a fairy tale, more than a nursery rhyme. I was looking for one love in life and peace of mind. Okay, then when we're going to the next section, I've come to know you in a very real way. I've come to know you in a very real way. So it's just a G minor 7. You can add the 11 if you like. Okay, and then you're going to go up to B flat, to an A minor 7. Then you can go to this D dominant altered. You can do a D7 sharp 9 sharp 5, or just a D7. Then I've come to know you in a very real way. You can do a little D minor. To know you. Okay, then the next section, B flat minor 7, F to E flat, and then go to the next section. You're like my knight in shining armor, you came. You made sense of my world. All around me seemed insane. So same chords exactly. I didn't know just where to go. Okay. Then we're going to go to this E flat 13. And I didn't know just what to do. Then go to the F13. B flat major 9. My whole world is new. I must go show and tell all of my friends of the joy that you've given me and the peace within. I've come to know you in a very real way. I've come to know. And that's pretty much the whole song. You can know them too. Every day, you become more real to me. Every day, you become more real to me. Yeah. I've come to know you in a very real way. Yeah. Okay, thanks so much, guys, and I'll be back with some more tutorials. Take care.